Hey, having trouble with voice chat because your mic isn't working in CS2? No worries, in this video I'll show you how to fix it. So let's dive into the solutions without wasting any time. Solution 1. Restart Windows Audio Service. To do this, first click on the search icon and type in CMD. Then right click on command prompt from the search result, select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes to give permission. Now, in this window, type in netstop audio SRV and hit enter. After that, type in netstart audio SRV and press enter. Now check if that did the trick. Solution 2. Check in-game settings. To do this, first open up CS2 on your computer. Then click the gear icon to bring up the settings. After that, switch to the audio tab. Now click next to voice input audio device and select the correct microphone. Next, try adjusting the microphone trigger threshold until you find the setting that works best. Try adjusting the microphone trigger threshold until you find a setting that works best for you. Now, check if microphone works for you or not. Solution 3. Update your microphone driver. You can either update it from the Windows Update or Device Manager. To update your microphone driver from Windows Update, open Settings. Then click on Windows Update and click on Check for Update. Now, Windows will update any outdated driver, including your microphone driver. However, if there are no updates found here, you have to use the Device Manager. For this, type Device Manager in the search box and click on it. After Device Manager opens up, extend the audio inputs and outputs by clicking the arrow next to it. Next, right-click on your microphone device and select Update Driver. Then click on Search automatically for driver. Now Device Manager will update your audio driver. After this, reboot your computer and check if your mic is working. So that's how you fix the microphone not working issue in CS2. If the video helped you fix the problem, don't forget to hit the like button. Got any questions? Feel free to drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching.